Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Mahesh Karia. You're watching me on YouTube now, and in this session, I'm gonna take you through a railway. So, I heard about railway a lot. That this is a cloud platform that allows you to create a pipeline, but very effectively, and the performance is really very impressive. So I just heard about this thing, and I'm gonna explore what is railway, why lots of folks are using it in this today's session. So without wasting any time, let's deep dive into it. So I'm going to search for a railway dot app. So this is I'm not sure why it's taking time, but yeah, this is the site that you can open in your browser, and here I'm going to click on start project. Assuming that you have a GitHub project already in your system, whatever it may be, Golang, Node.js, or as you wish. So you just need to create, you just need to provide with the help of GitHub repo, deploy using template. I'm not sure about the template, but Postgres directly you can deploy. MongoDB, MySQL is there, great. So lots of the basic stuff is there already. Redis is there again already. So lots of basic stuff they have already, and I'm going to choose my normal GitHub repo, but I don't have any for now. So let's try some other things first. So I'm going to have Postgres, not sure. Let's go with the GitHub. I have my GitHub account already, so if you I'm assuming you have it already, no worries. So if you have it and you have any project, we'll try to deploy a Deno project this time. Node.js we are familiar about, fast API, Python we made videos a lot. So this time we'll try again Deno. Deno, if you guys not familiar again, so developer of Node.js, he made Deno with a faster performance and lots of new cool features. So you can check it out if you haven't already. I have made few other videos on the top of that. So yeah, I have connected with, okay, got it, and I have 200 hours. Okay, you can clearly see here. Let me do this. Unverified $2, so I need to verify, and 200 hours I have. I'm not sure about what is 200 hours, but deploy your app to production effortlessly. Let's try this out and let's go there. Verify your account. Let's verify. So your account is unverified, the free plan. So I need to open my Gmail in front of you guys, but no worries, I'm going to open Geometry, not Gmail, and I'm going to verify. Okay, by the way, if you guys have any queries, feel free to reach out to me at itsmaheshkaria@gmail.com. Okay, so this you can see in updates. I just need to verify this by clicking here on verify. Lots of folks or YouTubers, they avoid this thing to open Gmail in front of people. I don't know why, but yeah, your account needs to agree the terms and conditions. Let's go, let's do that. So be at least 13 years or older. Why? I'm assuming if I'm a 12-year of programmer, then what? Okay, railway will email you. Yeah, I got it. Okay, railway can communicate to other services on your behalf like GitHub. Okay, fine. We so read write permission or read write permission, I'm assuming, not sure. Provide as is, go, let's go. Okay, general formality. Then agree to our fair use policy. Hosting and distributing of any following items will be banned. Of course, the crypto things, torrent things, okay, anything illegal. Okay, fine, no worries. We won't do that. Don't worry, railway. Okay, and here we go. So all is good. Please continue. Thank you so much. So I don't have a project, I guess. I need to create. Hopefully, I forgot if I have. So it's better to create a new one. Oh, GitHub overdue payment. I need to pay for a GitHub Copilot. Sorry, I I I need to pay it today. So okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create node app, Deno app. Sorry, I'm Deno app for railway. Deno app railway. Sounds good. Sounds good. We'll proceed with this, and let's hit create button quickly. Okay, now let's open the VS Code quickly. So guys, if you don't have a Deno or any other things in your system, feel free to install from deno.land. This is JavaScript runtime, same as Node.js, of course, and hit here installation and install the things. I already have it, so I'm going to have a new folder, and I'm going to rename it with the same, or rename it with Deno app. Okay, drag your folder on the top of VS Code and open with Command plus J or Control plus backtick if you have Windows. Then here I'll say I don't need to say anything. I'll create a main.ts directly. I'll say console log, or should I go with the Express? Would be great. So again, import Express from, make sure to use npm :express. Okay, so this is new way of integrating, no need to use node modules and other stuff. Then const app directly, const app equal to express. We need to make sure what is default port, okay, otherwise it won't work. So app.get, of course, and get, assuming like this, hello world, thank you Copilot, I'll pay you today. And here I need to listen to port, okay, and here we go, and hopefully we can use here process.env port, or if not found then 3000. So this, oh my god, this is Deno, so it won't work, the process.env.port won't work, so we'll use like the 3000 would be great. Okay, we'll see later what happens. Let's try with the 80, otherwise because we don't know the default port, that's why. So now I'll say Deno run -a means all permissions capital A, and main.ts. So it's getting that express first, okay, and npm :express, forgot, typo, okay, and let's try this again. Sorry. So it started already on localhost :3000. If I go here, open this thing in 3000, here we go. Oh my god, not localhost.com, bro, I need localhost :3000, xv back, enter. So this is not running on localhost 3000, might be we are doing, okay, port 80, sorry, on last moment I have updated the port, so I need to make it 80. Okay, this is a simple code that we need to deploy. Let's see, I need to create a GitHub thing. Same goes with your any code, by the way, okay, don't worry about that. Git init, what's happening, bro? Then git add all would be great. Git commit -m first one file, okay, and hopefully git remote add origin, this one, this is my name of a repo, okay, so clear. And now this time I'll do git push directly, no worries, I'll get the command that I'm going to push to main one, okay, here we go, and just one file, okay, hopefully it should work. And now if I go here inside my railway, so I need to create a new project and deploy with the GitHub, and here I just need to choose node -app, missing command, hit enter, not sure, configure GitHub app, okay, now it's Maheshkaria, all repositories, install and authorize. Okay, let's do that. Use GitHub Mobile. I need to use your own password. I forgot both of them. Hopefully, no. Thankfully, I have MacBook fingerprint scanner, and here we go. Okay, go to home. It's going to home already. So yeah, danger zone, suspend your installation. This will block the app access to your resources. No, it's fine. I have provided permission which is required. Okay, now it should work. Now deploy from. Now I'll search here. Let me. Yeah, I got it. Okay, now I'll say Deno app railway. So this is my app. Okay, so deploy it now. It's deploying for the very first time. I have $5 off and 500 hours. Great. So failed. Great, no worries. We are doing this for the first time, so it should get failed. Let's see what's happening, because it should work. Deployment failed during the build process because Nixpex was unable to generate the build plan for this app. Okay, because we have a TS file directly, so somewhere we should mention that what we are using. That is very important, and I'm not sure like where we need to mention. So somewhere deploy logs, let's check this out. No deployment logs, all the outputs sent to. Okay, great. And details looks like my god, what's happening, bro? Okay, let's try with the template. Do I have a Deno here? Yeah, great, I have a Deno. And yeah, great. So that's how it works. Where should we clone this repo? Okay, they are getting a templates from there that I need to take, and based on that we'll check the code. So I'll say Deno app for test. Okay, and this should not be the private repo, but let's try to deploy those. So because there should be a YAML file or config file from where it will know that what is your thing, because for the variable environment variables we have a variable tab. Okay, so yeah, it's initializing for the very first time. Building the first build will take time, rest of the build won't take much. Okay, and at the same time we will also understand how it works for the different environments. So again, I'm not gonna pause this video because I wanted to make very honest videos. So it took around less than 1 minute, I guess, to do things. So let's open this up quickly. And yeah, this is Chocho. What was that? Chocho, welcome to your Deno app. Thank you so much. I'm doing this for the first time. And let's open my GitHub now. So if I go here, if I search for the Deno, once again in my repositories, Deno app for test. That's what we just created. And one cool trick I can show you guys, instead of com you can replace it with dev. So you can open the entire VS code inside here. Okay, instead of com, replace com with dev in your URL. Okay, so this is how I check the code of others. Looks nice, no need to travel from here to there. There are other tricks as well, but dev is official one. So you can change theme as well. This is white theme. If you want to change theme, just do Ctrl Shift P and Command Shift P, or change the theme as yours. Okay, so it's happening. The code should be inside your src directory. Make sure to have code inside your src directory. Port should deno.get. This should be your thing. Okay, deno.env.get port, and that port will define from there, and default they are using 8000. Okay, So fine, no worries, completely fine. And great. And Docker file, excuse me. So we have, I'm not sure about HAYD, but Alpine they are using, and it is really very smaller build as compared to your Ubuntu build. The default one is Ubuntu, so it is 8 8 times smaller, or 7 or 8 times smaller than actual one. So work directories app user is Deno, add all files. This step will be rerun upon each file change in your work directory. Great. So that's why it's happening quickly. Okay, this is the trick, I guess. I'm not aware about add one. And cmd Deno run allow net allow this, or instead of you can directly use capital A if you don't care about the permissions. Okay, but yeah, this is how it will run. So Docker file is very important, and so I hope guys you understood this is the actual way, and we missed that. And Docker file we need to define every time. So if I make some changes, let's try to do this here. Okay, let's try this out with using, should I take a clone? Is it good or not? Let me try to take it clone from here. Oh, okay, now I'm going to clone this. Okay, Cicd, let me have a new folder because we initialized git already. So I'll say app, I'll again drag folder over there, and here inside that I'll say git clone. Okay, here we are taking clone. I'm just trying to make changes. So here in TS I'm just making change of simply hello world instead of that. Hello Mahesh Karya, or you subscribe my channel. Okay, looks good. Now we'll go here quickly. We'll say git add, no sorry, we need to change the directory. Now we'll say git add space dot git commit -m for message test, and let's do what happened. Git push I'm doing now. youtube.local. Oh, your name and email address were configured automatically based on your username. Why it is happening? Not getting it. Why global thing suddenly change? Let me configure my things. User dot name, or it should be, it's Mahesh Karya. Invalid key, how it works? Yeah, user dot email, it's maheshkarya@gmail.com. okay, and now let's do git config. -FN list. So where is that? We need to check the name and email before. Yeah, everything is good, we can proceed hopefully. And here I'll say git push now, git push origin main. So yeah, this is done, everything looks good. Let's go there quickly and let me refresh this thing. Okay, so 5 commit 2 minutes ago, something is happening. So this is CICD, you don't need to configure it, something is happening. And if I go there, and it is directly redirected here. Okay, So it's deployment in progress, and oh great, it's done. So you can see guys how it was very fast as compared to what like I was expecting. It's really very cool. Railway, again, thank you so much for this wonderful thing, guys. Like this is really very fast, and hopefully there should be another way to optimize even further, because they have a kind of setting, and here somewhere. Okay, great. Deploy start command you can define over here. Great. Health check path you can define here. Thank you. Timeout, great, is given. And why I'm doing this? Sorry, I need to change this back to oh, let's go to setting again. And on failure restart policy, great. So we have a normal things here to set up, so that we'll do if required, but for now this is it for this tutorial, guys. And sorry, this I need to delete this thing. I lost my 1 hour already, so let me see if I can delete this. So what I need to use to delete this? So okay, cool, deleting server. So I lost my 1 hour, guys. See, 499. So not 1 hour, just less than 1 hour, but it's fine. It's really very cool. I'll pay for it if I, because it looks like it's ready for production. Okay, I'll try to deploy my Nest.js apps and something like that. So it's really very cool, this environment. Okay, let's try to create one more, and let's again check which empty service. This thing I'm not aware about, but let's use template. So we have this many kind of things, like your Node.js, okay, cron job, http Node.js, then I have Python, Discord, Flask, Fast API, lots of things, Fast API and other things. The Railway is really very cool. Thank you so much, Railway. And this is it for this tutorial, guys. Like, thank you so much for your time, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and smash that like button. And you can use this thanks button as well in order to contribute. Even $1 is enough to grow our channel. So thank you so much for your time, guys. Honestly, it's really appreciated, and see you soon in next video. Bye bye. Now let me stop this.